Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to be drawing San Francisco 49ers wide receiver superstar Deebo Samuel. Deebo Samuel played for South Carolina University. He was a second round pick in 2019 to the 49ers at a big 6 foot, 216 pounds. This is one of the best receivers in the NFL. So we're going to get our pointed tip, either black or dark gray marker. We'll start by finding the center of our page, and then come above. The giant's head will be right here, Deebo Samuel. Here we go. So we'll start by doing a jaw, kind of round it out. You can draw slow. It's kind of a rounded jaw. A couple of little ears over here. Two arches on the side, and then we'll connect that with a big arch. Okay, there's the head. Come down here, draw the neck. Down. Connect with that V. Here's the shoulder pads. Okay, see how we did that? So his shoulder pads curve to the waist, over, curve up, and he lets his shirt kind of hang out, so that'll be red. Here's the pants. Okay. Socks, two lines with an ankle. We'll do these big clown shoes. There's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. Big cleat coming out. Straight across. Stop. And then we'll connect up to the ankle. Bring that ankle down. Come straight across. Up. And connect to the shoelace. Okay? Let's do a big football right here. Big arch for the shape of the football. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Here's a thumb on the other side. He's holding that football. Deebo Samuel is a pretty big guy, pretty muscular, so let's do a bump and a bump. Those are the muscles for the arms. Bump and then a bump into the football. Okay. Here's another muscle over here. Bump. Okay. Come down to a kind of a point. Here's his hand, thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and connect. That'll be the glove. Okay, we have the shape, the basic shape of Deebo Samuel. Let's draw the face up here. So right here we're going to do an arch. This is kind of the hat that he wears under his helmet. It's like a cap. All right, let's do a couple of ovals for eyes. 1, 2. Circle on the inside. The circles on the inside are the highlights. Another circle. Arch. Color that part in. We'll show you. Leave those small circles white, as those are the highlights of the eyes and bring our characters to life. Just color that in with your black or your dark gray marker. And we like to add a little color highlight. This area right here, I'm going to do in a light blue. Get this kind of baby blue color. This just adds a little color to the eyes, and to us represents like a reflection from the stadium lights that Deebo's playing under. Okay, we'll do a little eyebrow arch, little eyebrow up. Kind of goes to a point, so it starts out thick and goes to the point. Bring Deebo's nose down. Okay, so we went down, up, down, up, down. Now he's going to be smiling. Deebo's always got the smile, so here we go. We'll do a point right here. We'll come out and up, out and up. So it's kind of like a bird or a seagull shape. Okay, we'll do this point. Down, down to that point. Under there is his lip. These are smile marks. He's got this goatee that he wears, that he grows out right here on his chin. Kind of this bushy goatee. And he's got a mustache right here that follows his lip. Okay? And a little dimple. Dimple. Okay, there we go. So let's get so that's our outline of Deebo Samuel. We're going to get a dark, almost like a maroon red color for the 49ers uniform. Draw a line like that, a line like that, and we're going to do a stripe. You know, that might be a little too dark. We might want to go with a red. Let's see what the red looks like. I thought that would be a good color, but let's try the red. Yeah, that's better. Let's use red, you guys, not that maroon color. Sometimes you figure out, hey, it doesn't quite work for me. We're gonna have 3 stripes over here. White, red, white, red. We'll do the same over here. It's okay that we have that darker color there. That's not a problem. Color this part red. Leave that stripe. Okay, we have our 3 stripes on the side of the jersey. Let's do the number 19. Over, down. There's our 1. Angle down, over. You can slow that part down. That's kind of hard. To learn to draw these numbers, it takes some practice. So if you need to press pause or slow it down, feel free to do so. Anyway, we're going to color this red right here. This jersey is going to be red. Let's do gold pants, red socks. We'll do white shoes, brown football, flesh color. We're going to hit fast forward now. This is Deebo Samuel, San Francisco 49ers wide receiver. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Fast forward.